Dolly and Friends!
Your teeth, you have got some dirt beneath. You should brush them well. Brush, brush every day. I'm not scared anymore. I feel better than before. Thanks for helping me. I'm not scared anymore.
My name is Dolly. I'm in a zombie costume. My friends are vipers and werewolves.
Hold at the door in such scary costumes. Who's asking me for a trick or treat?
mummy dragon. Oh, what a scary knuckles, you scared me and all my friends.
Hi, Dolly Kid. You have so scary costumes and you deserve a lot of sweets.
Sorry, my friends. Oh, what a scary place. What a mistake to come to which.
I'm so excited, I'm so excited. Yes, yes, I'm so excited. I feel so happy, I feel so happy. Yes, yes, I feel so happy. I feel so angry, I feel so angry. Yes, yes, I feel so angry. I feel so sorry, I feel so sorry. Yes, yes, I feel so sorry.
Dolly, Dolly,
Yes, police.
throwing garbage,
No police.
telling lie,
No police.
open wide.
Hee hee hee.
Dolly, Dolly,
Yes, police.
stealing candies,
No police.
telling lie,
No police.
open wide.
Hee hee hee.
walls.
No police.
Telling lie.
No police.
Open wide.
Dolly and Tommy were building a sandcastle when suddenly they saw a pirate bottle washed ashore. Dolly took the bottle from the ground, opened it, and found a map inside. The map was showing the way to the hidden treasures. Dolly and Tommy decided to find them. They were walking far, far away, searching for the treasures. And finally, they found the place where the treasures were hidden. Tommy got tired digging out the treasure chest. Dolly and Tommy brought the chest home, but it was locked. Nobody knew how to open it. Dolly and Tommy had left the chest here until tomorrow. But when the night came over, the chest started trembling and cranking. Dolly was so scared. And suddenly, the creepy skeleton jumped out of the chest. It had yellow burning eyes and scary bony hands. The skeleton was so close. But then, Tommy ran into the room. He came here to rescue Dolly. Skeleton turned around and was going to go and grab Tommy. But Tommy used his flashlight to drive the skeleton away, and he fell back where he came from. Dolly and Tommy locked the chest and left it outside, far away from their home.
It's always cool when Mommy takes you to go with her to the supermarket. The supermarket with toys! And buys you one of them. And one more. And this one. And this? Oh, looks like Mommy is angry now. But what is that? Christmas miracles! What if the toys become very big? Or alive? Uh-oh.
What?
Well, that was too much.
Oh. Huh? Oh. Hi.
Okay, I'm done with this drama. Give our cookies back.
I can't! The cookies are under lock and key!
So?
Monkey stole the key!
It's unbearable.
I think we need Johnny the officer.
So, what's the problem?
Look!
Maybe it's better to call for backup.
No time for backup. We need our stuff now.
Okay, sirs. Mr. Monkey, sir.
Useless, like always. And what should we do now? I think I have an idea. Are you sure that it will work? It will work. I'm not Tommy the Monkey Fighter. You mean Tommy the Cookie Stealer? Never mind. Better help me move the box.
Thank you, kids.
Now to the cookies.